Hello everyone, today we are going to review this book of Vinod Publications. Its name is Guidance and Counseling. It's a semester 4 book. It's a B.Ed book of Punjab University. It's in Punjabi medium, as you can see. It's a bestseller book of the very trusted educational publishing firm, which is Vinod Publications. So let's review this book, B.Ed semester 4 Punjabi University Punjabi medium guidance and counseling book. So first of all, syllabus is mentioned, and syllabus is mentioned in with English and Punjabi language, so that any reader who will who wants to read in any particular language can read it. Syllabus is absolutely mentioned. Then the best quality of this book is the detailing in this book. Every topic is discussed in detail. Everything which was there in syllabus, you will find it in this book, and everything is discussed in detail, and the things are highlighted in both English and Punjabi language, so that any reader who want to read it in Punjabi can read it in Punjabi, and if you want to read it in English, it's easy for any student to read it. So things are discussed in highly detail. You can check any topic of the syllabus. It will be available in the matter in the book. So I highly recommend this book. It's a very great book, and definitely it's a must recommendable book. So let's see the back side of the book. Other books are also there in the back side of the book. You can check them out, and if you want to buy them, you can buy them also. So regarding this book is only for rupees 149.50 rupees, which is very less price considering the detailing of this book, considering the easy wording of this book. This is a very good price, and it's available on Flipkart and Amazon also. You can call them directly at 9218 and buy this book also. They will deliver this book to your location in just 3-4 days time. You can visit their website at www.vinodpublications.com also, and check another thing of this publishing firm. You can also email them at vinodpublicationsindia@gmail.com, and you can go to Facebook, Twitter and YouTube and check other books of this publishing firm. Also, if you have any complaint regarding the book, you can go to their helpline number, and at help@vinodpublications.com. And also, if you want to purchase this book offline and not online, you can go to any available bookstore nearby your location and buy this book. Any bookstore which has B.Ed books will definitely have this book. So 149.50 rupees, whether you will buy this on Amazon or Flipkart or call them, or you buy this offline at bookstore, it's your choice. 149.50 rupees is a very good price for this book. So I definitely recommend this book, Guidance and Counseling. Highly recommendable book from my side. Must buy this book. Thank you.